Okay, welcome po muli po sa ating page sa ating legal masikat PSPQ Basketball League. Second game for tonight na between game number 2 at sa ating semifinal series between QSW in white and of course playing po in red and orange combination. Yan po ang team Alforno. Okay, Daniel versus Sulaiman sa gitna po yan. Game. First up, teka lang po tayo. Okay. Alforno ball. Yeah. No good. Rebound pero na bunga by Alforno. By Katas sublimation. Gratil. Binababa ang bola. Luigi Gratil. Gratil. Binababa ang bola. Sulaiman. Sulaiman. Driving strong. Sulaiman. 2 points. Ronan. Akshay. Bakay. Doon sa ball. Tunan po tayo. This game will decide to its fate. If Alforno wins this, they will earn now the second final seed and facing already the win of the earlier game, Giannis Grimetio. If not, if QSW wins this, meron po tayong third and final game. Or Ralph Carbonell, Sulaiman, malakas, Akshay, Elias, 2 points. Jam! Jam by Elias. Orias. Oran. Hashim. Gratil. Kick pass. Padayaw. Carbonell, 2 points. 4-2. 4-2. Akshay. Floater shot. Pasok. Forol. And Gratil, nagmamando. Gratil. Sulaiman against Daniel or Dan or Dante. No good. Same ball. Sulaiman, Padayaw, pops up. 2 points. 6-4. Bakay against Padayaw. Bakay, wala. Rebound, Carbonell. Rebound. Then Padayaw, binababang bola. Padayaw. No, it's Carbonell. Wala, nawala ang bola. Same ball. QSW ball. Got a sublimation ball, QSW ball. And Sulaiman. Sabado. Carbonell. Sabado for 3. Ayaw. Padayaw. 2 points. Padayaw. Biggest lead so far, 8-4. Lamang pa rin po ng QSW ng 4. Sabado against Akshay. Akshay. 2 points. 2 points Akshay. Gratil. Binababa bola. Nagmamana si Gratil. Gratil for 3. Bang! 11-6. Oh, traveling violation called. Okay. Gratil. Padayaw. Alam mo, 11-6 eh. Kasik na lang ko din.
Ano lagay niyo sa yung score?
Hindi. Ayun na, oh. Oh, tama. Ayun na, oh. Oh, tama nga. Tama. Gatil! Walang foul. Rebound, Padayaw, 2 points. 15-6. Dante! How? Okay, the score is 15-6. Again, here's a separation po tayo. If Alcorno wins this game, they will earn now the last final seat sa ating ligang ito. Or else, Qatar Sublimate says there will be a third game, number 3, a rubber match between Alcorno and Qatar Sublimation. Dante. Pasok. Second shot to Dante. Dante. Labas. Carbonell. Padayaw. And si Mr. Si Gratil. Kick pass. Suleiman. Wala. Rebound by Bagay. Akshay to Dante. Swipe away. Akshay wala sa pasa. 5:41 remaining. 7:50 na score po natin. Lamang po ng 8 ang team Qatar Sublimation at QSW. Bautista. Wala. Down. Okay, Bautista, number 16. Nope, ayaw. Hindi po ano. Down. Gratil for the inbound. Padayaw against Bakay. Papsa, Padayaw. Wala. Rebound back by Harsha. Ano? That's sa Elias. Nice one. Dante. No good. Suleiman. Padayaw. Binababang bola. Padayaw. Nope, it's Gratil. 2 points. No good. Nice recovery by Gratil. Gratil. Padayaw. Sa ilalim. Dukot. Pasok. Padayaw. Dukot. Pasok. Bakay for 3. Nope, it's Bakay all along. 2 points. 79 score po natin yun. Nando, charge. Yashin. Foul called. Elias, the lefty, number 1. Yan ang kanyang number po yun. Sabo na po tayo, Felipe in para kay Kenji Carbonell. Akshay to Dante against Suleiman. Dante, difficult, naipit ang konti. Harsha or Elias, no good. Rebound by Gratil. Hoy! Pushing foul. Pushing foul for sure. Okay, nag-meeting sila ngayon. Meeting. Okay, referee will decide now. Hans will say what's up. Hans will say the decision. Hans po foul. Hans po foul call. Akshay call for the Hans po. Okay, Akshay, labas ka muna. As per no. Okay, Gratil for the Anspo shots. First shot, Gratil. Wala. Second shot, Gratil. Second shot, Gratil. Meron. Pasok. Last shot. Nope. It's ball possession for QSW. Okay, Ans po 1 lang pala binigay kaya ano, okay. Teka lang, kailangan magpalit yan. Oh, meeting muli, meeting. Okay, back to the ball game. Talagang ano? Padayaw. Nice guard. Padayaw. Aga pa. Oh, maga na pala. Good morning to all to sa atin lahat. It's already 12 past 12:39 Qatar. Uy! Ay! Bakay! Wala! Hoop shot! Wala pa rin! One more time! Yes, sir! Dati 2 points. Padayaw sa muna nagmamanto ngayon. Padayaw! Driving strong! Padayaw! 2 points! 20-11, 3:36 remaining. Bakay for 3. No good. Harshim. Pasok ang bola ha. Elias, 2 points. Soliman, power move, hoop shot, yes sir. 3:05 remaining. Jay, 2 points. I think kulang talaga yata, no? Palagay ko kung Alforno ngayon. Walang Hindi maglalaro iba. Baka busy. Gratil against sa Elias. Gratil. Oy! Offensive foul! Gratil called for the offensive foul. Second person po ni Gratil po yan. Alforno ball tayo. Akshay to Elias again. Elias Dante. Wala. Dante muli. Wala pa rin. Okay, white shirt. Padayaw. Against Bakay. Padayaw. Libit ang konti. Dando si Dante. Bakay, Dante. Tapon. Basketball made easy by Dante. Gratil changing the shot. Foul called.
Pushing ball, that's number 1.
It's Elias or just called for the push. Soliman sa ilalim. 2 points. Nice shot by Soliman. Jay pops up. No good. Sinagantay. Nice D. Shy. Wala pinasahan. Mali. One minute 35 remaining. 17:24. Okay, Mr. Bautista, binababa. And Gratil kinukuha. Pumupusisyon. Gratil for 3. Bang! Nothing but net. Our biggest lead so far, 27-17. Akshay, Bakay for 3. Wala. Rebound by Felipe. Gratil. Changing the shot. 2 points. Pampak pa. Energy sa siya. Akshay. Dante fadeaway shot. 2 points. Turnaround shot. Made easy by Dante. 43 seconds remaining. Gratil, binababa ang bola. Gratil, against Bakay. Nope, it's Felipe. Nice one by Felipe. Tap pa. Nice tap board by Felipe. Jane. Dante, against Felipe. Fadeaway shot. Dante, pasok. Carbonell, 2 points. Carbonell. Jane. Okay, first quarter's ended. The score is 21-33. Lamang po na lang 12 ang Qatar Sublimation. Hanap boy muna po tayo bago tayo magsimula ng second quarter. This Asia Pacific Basketball League would like to thank the following sponsors: McDonald's Qatar, MC Cargo, nandiyan po Gianna's Basketball Team, Black Silver Shining, Gianna's Committee of Winx Apparel, nandiyan po JPEX TV, Hukom Apparel, HB Kicks, of course, nandito po ang Sinag Digital Media, Iwan Nation, at si Chris Modupe. We are now also Tuk Saigon, and we're now at the semifinals match. And playing right now is the second game between Gianna's Alforno and Qatar Sublimation. Stipulation, if Alforno wins this, they will now earn the spot also at the finals facing Gianna's Gumetio sa Gianna's Gumetio in the finals. Mendoza for the inbound. Mendoza to Mr. Bautista. Carbonell. Boy, foul! Who's pal rep? Again, Ilyas. Second po ni Ilyas yan. Bautista, Mendoza. Hindi Grate pinagpapahinga muna. Mendoza, wala. Grate pinagpapahinga muna ng bench para to freshen your legs. Elias against Bautista. Jane binibigyan ng posisyon. Akshay, Mendoza to Jane. Dante against Felipe. Dante, 2 points. Bautista, nakalusot. Sabado, floater shot, 2 points. I love you Sabado, pati rin yung linggo. Okay, ito po tayo. Sabado, 2 points. Akshay. Elias. Bakay. Foul. Ouch. 8:51 remaining. Second quarter action. 23-35. Carbonell call for the foul. Bakay for the inbound. Bakay, Dante, kumubusyon, Dante. Lopez, Elias, foul called. Sabado call for the foul. 8:46 remaining. Foul called. Nice play.
Ball number
Read,
29.
but well read by Qatar Sublimation.
7 personal foul. Third team foul. Qatar Sublimation.
Okay. Elias, number 1, shooting for 2. First shot, Elias.
Second row, Ross.
Pasok! 25-35. Qatar Sublimation still leading. Dante interception. Bakay, binababa ang bola. Bakay. Nice one by Jay. No good. Felipe. Nako ni Jay. Nice hustle play. Akshay for 3. Wala. Rebound battle by number 41. Hop. Traveling relations sabi ni Ian. Relatively. Medyo yung both teams depleted lineup eh. Siguro may pasong iba yata. Gratil against Akshay. Takbo na ako ng pick. Pops up Gratil. Kapos. Riva Mendoza. Carbonel. Nagkakalang pamapasahan. Sabado. 2 points. What a drive by Sabado. Di pa naging linggo yan. Sabado pa lang yan. Bakay. Akshay for 3. Wala. Rebound. Carbonel. Again, Sabado. Binababa ang bola. Sabado. Out of bounds. Red ball. Red shirts. 7:34 remaining. Second quarter action. Akshay, grabbing strong. Akshay. Hop. Pushing foul. Salamat sa pati.
Number 94, third personal foul.
Gratil, third personal foul. Aga. Akshay. Dante, lost the ball. Patayaw. Gratil again. Gratil. Oy! Sayang. Nice intention pero hindi nakuha yung bola. Akshay. Wala. Patayaw. Good ball. Wala na tawag. Patayaw. Wala. Dante nakaribang. Foul. Okay, 6:57 remaining. Lamang pa rin po ng 12 ang Qatar Sublimation. Qatar Sublimation, penalty situation. Dante shooting for 2 or penalty shots by Dante. Shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second throw by Dante. Jumper ready. Dante, 78. Jumper ready po tayo. Pasok. Okay, 30 seconds. Ikan 11-point advantage still enjoyed by Qatar Sublimation. Sabado, driving strong. Sabado, pops up. Nako, wala. Bakay. Binato. Jay, 2 points. Qatar Sublimation called for a timeout. The score is 28-37. Lamang po ng siyam ang Qatar Sublimation over Alforno. Okay, Alforno, if wins this ball game, they will now go to the finals. If Qatar Sublimation will go, we will have a rubber match next week sa ating PSBQ semifinals round. Okay, back to the bogey muli po tayo. Gratil. Luigi Gratil. Wala si Mario. Si Luigi lang nandyan. Sabado. Binababa na Sabado. Sabado. Sulaiman. Palpal. Padaya, humingi ng bola. Mendoza. Oh, foul. Hand-check foul. Hand-check foul.
Jersey number 3.
Jain called for a foul. Mendoza inbounding. Padayaw. Bumuha ng bola. Padayaw against Bakay. Padayaw against Bakay. Lost the ball.
10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Padayaw against Bakay again. Padayaw. Nice D by Bakay. Nice D by Bakay. Oh, Dante! Top board. Mendoza pops up. Bang! Yan ang kinakalaan nila. Jay, 2 points. Mendoza. Lost the ball. Hard. Elias. Elias! Wala. Tap away. Akshay. Elias again. Elias. Jay, Dobit Bakay. Naimag sa Bakay. Wala. Gratil against Elias. Gratil. Lost the ball. Nice swipe. Okay, Mr. Luigi. Sulaiman, mag-isa. Naipip. Akshay. Bakay. Jay, 2 points again. Don't look now. We have a rally by Alforno. From 12 points, we have a 7-0 blast already. Being posted by Alforno again. White shirts. Depleted yung lineup nila. Chance for Qatar Sublimation to seize the ball game also. Again, Mendoza. 3 points. Walo. Dante and Sulaiman. Dante. Sulaiman called for the foul.
Ball is number 31. Sullivan, second personal foul. Penalty, Qatar Sublimation.
Okay, Dante shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Nope. Second shot, Dante. Jumper ready po tayo.
Second throw by
Dante, second throw. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, 42-35. Again, a 7-point lead advantage being posted by Qatar Sublimation. Padayaw, pops up, creating space, 2 points. Siyam. Bakay, shake and fake, may move, wala. Gratil, Mendoza for 3. Mendoza, pasok. What a hot hand by Mendoza. Back-to-back field goals. Back-to-back 3 points by Mendoza. Okay. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Ang liga na masikat dito sa Doha. You're watching it to the second game of the semi-final series between Alforno and Qatar Sublimation. If Alforno wins this, they will now earn the last final seat sa ligang ito or else Qatar Sublime will say there's a game number 3 next week. Wala pala.
Back to the field.
Walang surote? Wala.
Alfredo Ball. Winning time previous 37
Ilan yung wala dito?
seconds. Official score 39-37. 12 points.
Wala siya ng si Ricky. Kasi ano, sa Qatar Sublimation. Siya. Nice D. Whoop. Same ball.
Same ball.
I think chance to step up now for the remaining California team. And also, remaining po sa Qatar Sublimation. Okay, may guard duty na ngayon siya, number 1. Ayun nga lang, 2 points. 37-47, lamang buli na 10 ang team Qatar Sublimation, 3:29 remaining. Nipit, Sabado, Daway nipitin, again. Bakay is Mendoza, kick pass, Akshay, Elias, 2 points, eto na, Elias the lefty, Datil, number 94, Datil, Suleiman, 2 points. 49-39. Akshay. Wow! And something foul! And Jane
Ball against number 18.
Jane is doing his own part also for Team Alforno. 49-41. Jane for the second shot. Pops up. No good. Oh, teka lang. White ball talaga. White ball. 2 minutes 26 remaining sa ating ligang ito. Sabado. Gratil against Akshay. Gratil. Nice one. Akshay! Again, humabol muli pong Alforno. Down to 6 na lang po ang kalamangan ng Qatar Sublimation at 2 minutes 7 seconds remaining sa ating second game sa semifinals nights ng VSBQ Basketball.
Back to the whistle.
Prices, 2:07 remaining. Bautista, Sabado binababa ang bola. Sabado, wala. Sabado recovered. Gratil. Pops up, clutch shooting, wala. Wow! Ouch.
Ball against number 29, Sabado. Substitution.
Okay,
Sabado,
Sabado, tatlo na rin siya. Sabado for Kenji. Penalty situation, Dante shooting for 2. A minute and 51 remaining sa ating larong ito. Meron daw, there it is. Second shot, Dante, second free throw.
Second row, white up.
Pasok, both basket made.
Padayaw. To call this one.
Carbonell. Bautista. Gratil again. Gratil mag-isa. Padayaw. Creating space. No good. Rebound. Again, the red shirts on the run. Bakay! 2 points. 47-49, 1 minute 19 remaining. Foul!
Ball is number 17, Dante. Second personal foul, third team foul. Alberto.
Padayaw shooting for 2. A minute and 8 remaining. Second quarter action. Padayaw per shot. It's out. Padayaw, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Padayaw, second free throw. Jumpers ready. Basket made. Lamang na isa. Lamang ng tatlo. Akshay. Akshay against Gratil. Akshay. Laywan. Dante. No good. Rebound. Suleiman. Padayaw. Ayun. Nice one. Rainy. 52-47. 14 seconds remaining. Elias rather. Bakay against Carbonell. Bakay, shake and pick. Bakay, palpal. Traveling violation called on Bakay.
Traveling violation. Ganda ka sa akin.
Bautista.
Bautista.
Padayaw pops up. Pasok ang bola. Again, Katasamas is pulling away. Akshay! Wala. Pero penalty situation po tayo. Okay, penalty shots again for Mr. Akshay. Bautista called for a foul. Pasok. First shot Akshay, pumasok. Second throw po tayo. Jumpers ready para kay Mr. Akshay. Akshay, second throw, pops up. Both basket made. Nakalusot. Gratil for 3. What a way to end the quarter. Gratil 3 points. The score is 49-57, an 8-point advantage. Been posted now by team Qatar Sublimation. Pre, di ba siya yun? Di ba si Smith yun? Smith ba yun? Smith no? Qatar Airways? Nagkanang pa para pamilsa. I don't get that. Don't trace that. boss.
Walang sound daw eh.
Back to the ball game. Level 2, quarter.
Ikaw gusto mo kasas? Ikaw, tara. Ano naman course mo sa, anong college ka? Sa Puyo, no? Pilipinas. Ano course mo? Oh, pwede na, tara, pwede na. Marketing pwede. Di nga, pwede biro. Ano course mo? Marketing? Ha? Anong school pa, pre? Atlas. Okay, balik po tayo sa ating laro po ngayon. 49-57. Lamang po ng 8 ang Team Qatar Sublimation. Stipulations for the ball game. If Qatar Sublimation wins it, meron po tayong rubber match. If Alpha wins it, meron na po tayong finals 2 weeks from now. Elias, wala. Rebound, may patayaw. Gatil against Elias. Walang pinasahan. Nako. Okay, backing violation. Okay, Jain number 3. Yan, store up po yun po ng ibang liga rin po. And Elias to Dante. Jain, cutting! Pasong bola kay Jain. Triangle. Gumagawa ng triangle ang Alborno. Padayaw. Carbonel. Padayaw. Mendoza, pops up. No good. Ayan na naman. Number 1. Nice D by Mendoza. Okay. Padaya. Bakay. And nakuha. Still completed. Padayaw. 2 points, Padayaw. Akshay, binababola. Akshay, foul. Blocking foul, for sure. Si Smith pa yun. Smith, ng Airport United. Ang liga. Okay, game. Elias, Akshay, Bakay again. Against Carbonel, Bakay. Isolation play, palpal! Nice D by Carbonel. Okay, stipulations for the ball game, ha? If Qatar Sublimation wins this, meron po tayong game number 3 next week. If not, Alforno wins this, meron po tayong game number 1 ng finals 2 weeks from now. We will enter to a pre-finals break po ang ligang ito. Padayaw, shake and pick. Padayaw! Oh! Kader ang pinagani Padayaw. 51-59. Ganun lang yan. Kinakalang. Ganun lang din. Sasabi nila. Elias. Dante. 2 points. Upboard. Gatil. Pops up for 3. No. Baka is there. Elias. 2 points. Again, Qatar Sublimation call for a timeout. Okay, back to the ball game. Muli po tayo. 7:29 remaining. 55-59. Lamang po ang Qatar sublimation ng 4. 7:20 remaining. Third quarter action lang po ito. Okay, Kenji Carbonell for the inbound. Galing sa dulo. Kenji Carbonell. Binababa, Mr. Mendoza. 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 Padayaw. Carbonell, Padayaw. Padayaw for 3. Wala. Rebound. Carbonell, no. Elias. Ayun na kay Bakay. 2 points. 2 points Bakay. Laban po ng dalawa na lang. Gatil. Gatil, nakaw na pick. Pop sa preview. Nay, mali. Again. Jain. 2 points Jain. Running hoop shot made by Jain. Tablado po tayo. Magic bunot. 2 points pa tayo. Magic bunot si Jain. Grabe. No foul, no foul. Padayaw. Mendoza. Wala. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. White ball. Okay. Mendoza. 40 minutes kay Mendoza. Pwede pahinga muna. Suleiman against Dante. Gatil. Felipe! Foul! Nice foul.
Ilan na, Dante?
Okay, third personal foul for Dante. Felipe shooting for 2. 61-59. Chance to extend the lead. Wala. Second shot to Felipe. Felipe, second throw tayo. Second throw by Felipe. Pops up. Pasok! Pareho. Oy! Stepping on the line. Naglaps. Suleiman, Dante. Padayaw, pops up. Nope. And white ball. 5:35 remaining. Chance now still. Qatar to extend further the lead. Suleiman against Dante. Suleiman, Dante. Hook shot. Pasok. Elias, Akshay, na yung magsa 3 points. 3 points ka! Ha! Lamang na lang muli ng dalawa ang Qatar sublimation. Padayaw. Padayaw, wow, possible. Wow! Duty foul, duty foul. Hindi. Okay, ano muna, iyan yata nila. Okay. Duty foul lang yan. Anak ko, sayang. Ouch! Okay, Suleiman called for the hands po foul. Hinawa kasi yung jersey. And Dante shooting for the hands po free throws. Pasok. First shot, pasok.
Second throw.
Okay, wala. Okay, sa hands po. And kanila pa po ang bola. Akshay. Akshay. Bagay, pops up. Pasok! Okay, change verbo po tayo. Padayaw, getting space. Padayaw, 2 points. Long bomb, grabe, long bomb. Long bomb. Akshay, nope, it's Dante. Dante, oy! Traveling pala yung Adoboy. Four minutes remaining. Gratil against Dante. Gratil. Gratil. Driving show. Creating space. Pops up. And what a play! What a play by Gratil.
Ball is number 2 there. Second personal foul. Second kick foul.
Gratil, 2 points plus possible 3-point play for Gratil. Pops up. Pasok, 3-point play completed. Again, namambuli po ng 4 ang team Qatar Sublimation. Fuse 1 lamang. Akshay for 3. Wala. Rebound by Felipe. Gratil, nagmamadali. Gratil, Gratil, Gratil. Kick pass, Padayaw. Labas mo na raw, masyadong mainit. 3-second violation. Naipit si Padayaw. And Mr. Akshay, Bakay again. Bakay. Bakay, palpal. Rebound, battle 1 by Felipe. Kick pass kay Padayaw. Padayaw is Akshay. Padayaw, Akshay. Shake and fake. Gratil for 3. No! In and out. Jane pops up. Wala. Foul! Oh, teka lang. Okay, teka lang. Let's sort this out. Okay. Chill lang po tayo. Chill lang, chill. Okay, chill lang po tayo. Okay. Let's sort this thing out. Let the referees decide what will happen. Both teams muna po. Okay. Okay. Okay, they will now decide what's the call. The score is 65-69. Lamang pa rin po ang Qatar Sublimation ng 4 at 3:01 remaining sa ating third quarter action. We're just waiting for the decision of the referees regarding to that event. Okay, meeting. Tama, baka maggulo sila. Ang dami. Baka maggulo sila. Baka maggulo. Tama. Kung lalapitan mo. I-replay.
Hindi naman tulay.
Hindi naman. Pero hinda mo lang. Baka lapitan pa. I-verify yung event. Okay. Referee says there's a decision. Foul. Felipe called for a foul. Answer foul. Okay. Okay, that's the decision. Okay. Yeah, okay, double foul called, but there's also an unspoken foul called on number 1. Just okay. Sabado, call for the Anspo. 4 personal foul kay Sabado. Anspo foul also for Mr. Ejas, 3rd personal foul. Okay. Back to the ball game tayo. It's already no. Sige. Okay, inano. Okay, they're still sorting this out talaga. The coach of Alcono set up in arms also. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, so okay na. Back to the ball game. Natawag na po ang tawag. Natawag na po ang hatol. Back to the ball game. Puli po tayo.
Second.
Sakit. Kailangan mo siya dahil siya nagkansila kasi cancel eh. Okay, but still there's a foul called. It just normal foul lang yan. First shot it just no good. 3:01 remaining. Maaga pa. Second throw, just. It's in. Okay, ilangan po ng 3. Gratil, binababa ang ball ni Gratil. Gratil nakalusot. Gratil, pops up. Offensive foul call. 4 personal fouls. Gratil warning for foul out. Bakay against Felipe. Felipe for 3. Wala. Rebound by Suleiman. Gratil. Gratil naka-pick up. Padayaw. Creating space. Suleiman. Hook shot. Mutik na. Foul called. Akshay, 3rd personal foul. 3rd team foul. Act of shooting. Suleiman shooting for 2. 2:08 remaining. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Suleiman, number 31, second free throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. It's in. Apat. 2 minutes. Third quarter pa lang yan. Huwag kang magala. Third quarter pa lang yan. Elias. Akshay. Shake and peg. Akshay. Fade away shot. Wala. Rebound. Gratil to Gratil. Nandun sa Elias. 2 points again. The familiar skywalk of Elias. Felipe. Suleiman. Hook shot. Malakas. Akshay. Wala. Mabilis talaga, parang anino.
Save ball.
Elias. And to Padayo against Elias. Double team. Up! Out of bounds. Line violation. Again, Ityas. Bakay for 3. Pops up. 3 points. Bakay, 3 points. Gratil. Nakalusot. Gratil. Nawala ang bola. Akshay, 2 points. Ito na. Suleiman. Padayaw. Felipe Palpal. Foul! Dante called for a foul. That's all. Dante, 78 called for a foul. Dante also did fourth person foul, one for graduate.
Dua.
Alporno, one for penalty. Padayo shooting for 2. Padayo shooting for 2. Etienne, tabla. Ay, hindi pala, sorry. Isa. Laman ng dalawa. Rather, Alporno. Second shot. Padayo, second throw. To trim the lead down to 1 point. It's a basket made.
19 seconds.
19 seconds remaining. Akshay. Driving show. Lobis Padayaw. Bakay. Sa ilalim. Malalim. Dante, 2 points. What a play by Dante. Dante, 2 points. The score is 75-72 after 3 quarters. Lamang na po ang Alporno ng 3. Okay, trabaho muna tayo. Tayo maghanap buhay muna. Ha? Ano to? Okay, back to the ball game. Fourth and final quarter. The final 10 minutes to decide if we have a finals or there's still a game number 3 sa serye ito. Okay, Gratil for team bank. Sabado. Padayaw. Minus deepest na yan. I think they will now attack to the big guy. No good. Padayaw. Sabado, wala. Rebound, Bakay naka-rebound. Bakay on the run. Dante, Akshay, 2 points. It's just 2 points. Nabunan ni Kenji. Gatil, Dinky 3, no, it's Suleiman. Matayaw. Pops up. No. Rebound by Suleiman. No good. Bagay. 2 points Bagay. Qatar Sublimation calls for a timeout. 8:34 remaining. 79-72. A 7-point lead advantage now by Alforno. Malayo pa yung magalala. It's everybody's balling at this point. Halavira. Back to the ball game.
The next name, CFPL, Obidi, Rajat Mara.
Tapos. Red ball. Shy. Dante. Bagay. Elias. Bagay again. Bagay. 2 points. A 9-point advantage. Oy! Alforno ball. Timeout Alforno. Just 3 points. Now we have a 12-point lead advantage. 3 points Carbonell. Up. Foul, down, traveling. Mali! Mali siya! Nice one! Out of bounds! Bagay! 2 points! Good ball. Padayaw. Carbonel. Traveling penalty goal. Injury. Wait! Uh-oh. Ano? Twisted. Apa? Pulikat yata, pulikat. Cramps yata, cramps. Cramps? Cramps. Okay, it's cramps only, cramps. Cramps is sprain. Ito yung sinasabi pag doon na tapilok do yata ka, nahigpitan do yung, yung sintas.
Don't need this spray. On your mouth. Spray on your mouth.
Bakay! Ano ba? Okay? Oh! Cramp. May ibabagal yung isa kung cramps yan. Tingnan natin, babumagal siya. Babapahina. Bakay again! Bang! Sayang na Dimano. Mendoza for 3. Tapos. Again, one more time. Bakay. Oh! Grabe liberation goal. Mahaba pa yan. Sabi nila. 5:37 remaining. Fourth quarter action. The score is 38-75. A 13-point advantage by Alforno. Mendoza 10 points. Bakit 2 points? Pinipay na walang bola. Wow! Oy, siya rin pala.
Wow, that's it. Well, number 18, Mendoza.
Mendoza called for a foul.
Mendoza running for foul.
Mendoza also for personal fouls, one for graduate. Okay, labas mo na si Pisa Felipe. Dante making rounds. Bakay. 2 points again. Nabubuhay na sa boarding si Bakay. Tapos. Akshay. Akshay again. Naging Sabado. Akshay. Shake and fake. Akshay. Akshay! 2 points. Reveal. For 3. Nope. Dante, 2 points. 3 points. 60 for disadvantage. Bakay. Wala. Gatil. Patayaw. Mendoza. Pops up. Wala. Rebound by Bakay. Elias. Elias again. Elias. And 1 play pa binigay. Elias, 2 points. 3:13 remaining. Okay. Harsha. Harsha na reporting the line. Okay, Harsha out. Harsha in. Bakay out. Pops up. No good. Rebound Padaya. Ratil. 30-3. Ratil 3 points. Sumabit. Okay, Gratil potential for 4-point play.
Substitution.
3:03 remaining. Gratil, bonus free throw plus jumpers. Pasok. Laban na 14, 14-point advantage. 2:58 remaining. Harsha. Elias. Wala. Dante. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Foul called. Foul on Harsha. Wala pang penalty raw, sabi. Gratil again. Gratil, binababa ang bola. Gratil. 4-3 again, Gratil. No. Rebound para 1 by Carbonet. Dante 2 points. Lost the ball. May dalawang dalawang higante. Nagkapulan. Last 2 minutes. Nako ng pick. Foul!
Well, that's number 31, Suleiman.
Suleiman, 5 personal fouls, graduate. Sino ang kapalit?
Remaining time 1 minute and 54 seconds.
1 minute 54 remaining.
First ball on the glass.
It just 2 per shot. Good. Second throw.
Set go.
Pasok rin.
Bringing it over to you. Let's go.
Kapos.
They are united. Mendoza. Mendoza.
12. Dante jam. Up.
Substitution.
Okay, Dante, labas na rin. Papasok na isang big bang.
55 seconds.
Number 8 in for Dante. Mendoza. Wow! 55 seconds remaining. 104.90.
To free throw by Ed Mendoza.
Mendoza, 2 shots given. Mendoza per shot. Pasok.
Passing by Mendoza.
Second throw.
Second throw, Mendoza.
Second throw Mendoza. Look.
Pass to
Pasok.
Pass flash down.
Good.
To Wagin.
Two shots. 2 points.
Shooter talaga.
Ha? Shooter yan, pre. Wow! Shooter yan, pre. Shooter yan.
Kakapasok. Wala pa warm up yan.
Harsha, foul on Harsha.
Penalty.
Penalty situation, kata sublimation at 34 seconds remaining. Ladies and gentlemen,
Penalty.
after 2 weeks, we will come back here again to have a possible final between.
Good shot by Mendoza.
Very good. Mendoza, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo.
Second throw by Ed Mendoza.
Both guys have played, still not enough.
Good on the ball. Jeffrey.
Harsha, Jane, Harsha, Jane, for 3. Outside.
26 seconds.
Okay, they can waste everything now, I believe so. Mendoza,
Number 2.
no. Okay, that's it. Okay, safety passing na lang tayo. Okay, congratulations. And welcome also to the finals. Team Alforno. They will face okay, final score 97-106. Congratulations, Alforno, and reaching themselves now the second final seat facing Janus Gumay 2 weeks from now. Wait, maraming salamat sa atin. Before we get a word from our sponsors, MC Cargo, McDonald's Qatar, of course, thank you po ang Janus Gumay, Jana, Pasmo Team, Laki Bishang Dibili sa Paro, of course, JPEX TV, Hugo Paparel, HB Kicks, Iowa Nation, Sina Dizamichi, of course, ako, Luis Maduco, and of course, Tungkol Saigon, and the semifinals of Bicol with winning Alforno going to the finals. Maraming salamat po and thank you very much. See ya!